I'm real mad about it because we had the time to get up and pit against Vince McMahon, car budget and stuff. But Vince McMahon, look up, we still coming up, and you're gonna be squished like a little bug like that and stuff, Vince McMahon. I'm real mad because you think you can put everybody out of business and kick everybody else butt. Guess what? You haven't kicked our butt. We still coming up. We might be a small company now, but we coming up, Vince McMahon. Dog, look up. You could be rich right now, but you always can get squished like a little bug like that and stuff, Vince McMahon. But you haven't met your match yet, Vince McMahon. You still gonna meet your match. So I'm real upset and pissed about that. Our ratings didn't go up, and you squished us like a little.
No more questions this time. Thank you very much, folks. You broke the table.
I didn't know. I didn't know my hands that strong to break a table.
Well, they are. They're big hands, okay? Don't worry about it. We'll get a new table. We'll get a new table. A $5 table. All right.
La 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 la